Good morning, students. Till now, we have learned about the different display image generation techniques and display devices. Okay, after this, we will have another topic called transformations. Another topic is transformations. So these transformations are two types. One is 2D transformations, second one is 3D transformations. First, we should go for the 2D transformations. Then we can move on to the 3D transformations. Okay, right. So first, what is a transformation? So far we have, I already told you, so far we have learned about the different image generation techniques. That means the image is generated on the screen. Then that image may not be required for the any customer or other person. That image, suppose if you want to rotate or move along from one location to another location, or rotate and also mirror and also enlarge or diminish, like that, we have to do some manipulations on the image which is created on the screen, computer screen. Okay, right. So that is generally occurs. These image generation techniques and along with transformations, those are generally occurred. Nobody want the initial ideal image. For real environment, the image may be rotated or scaled or enlarged for different processing operations. Of course, you may not know the processing operations. Okay, so processing means final object, location, orientation, size and reflection. All these are called processing operations. Okay, final location. Suppose if you want to obtain the final location, we have to do all these transformations. Okay, first of all, we can go for the definition of the transformation. Here I have given one definition. That is the geometrical changes of an object. The geometrical changes of the geometrical changes of object. Geometrical changes of an object is called, okay, from a current state to the modified state. From a current state to the modified state. So if you read out this statement directly, you may not understand what is current state and what is modified state, and also what is geometrical changes required. For that one, I will give one example. I will write down one diagram, and then we can apply the transformation to this diagram. Suppose if you consider a triangle like this in XY coordinate system. What is XY coordinate system? I am considering one triangle. Let it be named as A, B and C. Suppose if we generate an image on the CRT screen, okay, so you know that in the Rashid scan system, we will divide the screen into X direction and Y direction. Okay, similarly you can generate the image like this. Okay, this is the ideal state of our initial state of the a triangle, but we required modified state of the triangle ABC. This may be either it may be translated to another location. Suppose if you want the triangle at this location, okay, what we have to do? We have to translate each point from this point to, suppose in triangle we have 3 points. One is A, second one is D, third one is C. So you have to translate A to A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash. Okay, then you will get along the X direction I am translating. So then we will get the final position of the triangle ABC, that is A dash, B dash and C dash. Okay, suppose if you want to translate along Y direction, you have to move every point A, B and C to the another translate into x along xy direction. Okay, you will get a double dash, b double dash, c double dash. Okay, this is another location of the triangle A. Similarly, we can rotate this triangle. Similarly, we can scale. And that means scaling means either enlarging or diminishing or reducing the size of the image. Okay, so these are called translation along x direction, translation along y direction, rotation and scaling and mirroring. All these are called geometrical changes. Geometrical changes or transformations. Geometrical changes are transformations. Okay, so from the current state is ABC, to the modified state may be either A dash, B dash, C dash, or A double dash, B double dash, or C double dash. Okay, so like this, the definition has, we will have definition here. What is the, so I will read this definition once again. What is transformation? Transformation means the geometrical changes of an object, of an object from a current state to the modified state. That is one. Next one is why the transformations is needed. Why? What is the need of transformation? What is the need of transformations? Otherwise, to manipulate the initially created object and to display the modified object without having to redraw it. Suppose if you want to redraw the image every time, that will be more. That will take more time, and also it will cost more amount. So so we have to just one image is there. Then without redrawing this A dash B dash D dash, we just modify the coordinates of ABC. We just modify the coordinates of ABC to the required location. Then so that is easy. Than the redrawing the image. We can modify the image. Okay, then we will get the final image. Suppose in this 2D coordinate system, A has x and y, x comma y, and x1 y1. Next one is x2 y2. Next one is x3 y3. So what are the coordinates of A dash? A dash coordinates are x dash, y dash. And what are the coordinates of B dash? X 1 dash, x2 dash, y2 dash. What are the coordinates of C dash? x2 3 dash, comma y 3 dash, like that. Similarly for a double dash also. Here on the translation along the y direction. Okay, like this we will just modify the corner points or pivot points, and we will join those points with line drawing algorithm so that we can get the triangle, so that we can get the triangle at the required location. Okay, right. So this is about the transformation definition and its meaning. Okay. Next, what are the ways of transformations? There are two ways. There are two ways of transformation. Two ways of transformations. One is object transformation. That means after the coordinates descriptions alter the coordinates descriptions of an object. Okay, and that means coordinate values we have to change. Then we can get the transformation. That is what I have explained in the previous example, triangle example. Now coordinate transformation. That means produce a different coordinate system. We have to produce a different coordinate system. And suppose here in the previous example I have taken XY coordinate system for the triangle. XY coordinate system for the triangle ABC. So suppose I want to translate this one to another location. Then no need to transformate this ABC coordinates. Just transformate this XY lines. Okay. So suppose if it is the origin, 0, 0 is the origin. Okay. Corner points are A, B and C. corner points are A, B and C. Suppose if the A location, A coordinates are 2, 2, suppose B are 4, 4, 4, 2, and C are somewhat 3, 5. These are the coordinates of A, B, C, right. Now, suppose in the previous example I have translated A to some A dash, B to B dash, C to C dash. But that doesn't require here. Sometimes you may translate X, Y coordinate system to this location. That is X dash and Y dash, new coordinate system. And here suppose if it is 0, 0, then this might be somewhat, again you can consider this as 0, 0. The object is on the screen. So on the screen the object location is same. On the screen object location is same, but only these two XY lines are change, and the origin comes here. And so now you can have this A value from with respect to X and with respect to Y. You will have different coordinates for A, B, C, right? Suppose it might be suppose if it is 2, so it might be 4, 4, and it might be somewhat 6, 4, and this one is somewhat this one C value is same 3, 5, like that 3, 5, that is okay, right? Like that we can translate the coordinate system, that is XY coordinate. After translation it will become X dash and Y dash. Okay, then the transformations are the values of coordinates of the corner points also change. Okay, like that we can do the transformations. So that is the second way of transformation. The first one is alter the coordinates. Second one is produce a different coordinate system. Right. So this is about two ways of transformations. Next, so next one is, so how to do transformations mathematically, that is the next point, next concept. Okay, so how the computer will do the transformations. So we have to establish a simplest mathematical concept to do the transformations or image generation on the screen. So here the scientists and researchers have invented the matrix algebra or matrix math. Matrix algebra or matrix math. They have invented that one. They have invented the matrix algebra or matrix math. What is the use of this one? Okay. So all of you know the matrix algebra. Suppose why do we use? So matrix algebra, using matrix algebra, the coordinates, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and all these things you can do easily. Okay, for more convenient organization of the data, that is the main reason. One is next efficient processing, enable the combination of various concatenations. Concatenations means I will tell, okay, in the next class, and matrix addition and subtraction. Okay, suppose if you consider AB column matrix 1 and CD column matrix 1, I want another column matrix that contains A plus or minus C or B plus or minus D. Suppose if you consider plus, you will get A plus C and B plus D. So this is the, suppose if you consider minus, this that is minus and here minus, B minus D, A minus C, like that you will get coordinates. So matrix addition and subtraction is very easy. Okay, that is why this is the convenient organization of the data to matrix, utilization of matrix concepts. Okay, concatenations means here I have taken plus or minus. Suppose if you multiply this entire object with some another matrix, not addition, I want to multiply with some another one, let it be EF, okay, or EF, F and E. Suppose I want to multiply, okay, then you will get another matrix. So this is a concatenation is nothing but the combination of different matrix operations, either combination of addition and multiplication or subtraction and multiplication, like that it will appear. Okay, right. So what I am telling now, I am telling that matrix operations are easy, very easy for algebraic operations and also for the transformation concept. Right. Now coming to that translation. Now coming to the translation. What is my translation? I have already told you. Translation means